Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Udemy on PC. Udemy is one of the world's largest online learning platforms. Udemy offers thousands of courses across thousands of topics from the programming and graphic design to personal development and language learning. The platform is suitable for the beginners, professionals and anyone looking to upskill, and on PC using Udemy is smooth and user-friendly. You can watch high-quality video lectures, download resources, track your progress and even participate in quizzes and assignments. By the end of the guide, you'll know exactly how to sign up, browse courses, purchase or enroll in free courses and start learning effectively. So first you need to open any of your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge or the Firefox, and in the top there's this address bar. In this address bar type down udemy.com and enter it. Over here you land on the Udemy homepage, which shows the trending courses, recommended topics and the categories. Here you can see the featured courses, search bars and menu like categories by learning and business solution as well. So over here, if this is your first time on Udemy, you can select to the sign up in the top right as well, and you'll be prompted to enter your full name, email and other continue. If you want to sign up other option for the Google, Facebook or the Apple, you can do that as well. And if you already have an account, if you have previously signed up or created an account in Udemy, you can select to this login and put down the credentials and open it as well. As I'm going to select to this sign up here and type down your name and your email, and you can select to this send you special offers, personalized recommendation and the learning tips if you want anything from Udemy. But if you do not prefer that, so deselect it by simply selecting over here and select continue. Over here on your mail you'll get 6-digit code sent by Udemy. Go to your Gmail account and find the Udemy mail here. Simply copy paste it, copy this code here and paste it and select to the sign up here. So here it will ask you for the explore categories of what field you are learning to. Select any of the field that you are preferred and select to this next each time. And over here, if you want any of the certification interested of the Udemy, you can select that as well and select start learning if you want to. And so once you logged into the Udemy official homepage, you can use the search bar in the top, type topic you're interested in. For example, you are interested in the Python. You can filter using the price, fees by selecting enter over here. If you want any of the filters, select to this all filters here. You can choose the language, hand on the practice, video duration. You can select the topic, your level, subtitles, and you can go back to this option over here. And you can also explore the categories from the menu, any of the quizzes, coding exercises, practice test, role plays if you want to. And over here we can find this most relevant. You can select to this here. It says most relevant to highest rated, most reviewed or the newest. You can select if you want the newest videos to come from of this screen, you can select to this, or if you want the highest grade or the most relevant, you can select any of this topic over here as well. And you can click on a course to see the details, select any of the course that you want, and you'll see this content, instruction, bio, student reviews and the duration of the course over here. You can also buy the course if you want to. That says add to cart or the buy now and proceed to the payment as well. On the course, you can check this price. Many courses have discounts, some are completely free. If you want to buy now, you can select this buy now for the paid courses or enroll now as well. For the paid courses, you need to enter to the payment details by selecting this buy now. You need to enter to this payment detail for your credit or debit, PayPal or other available method in your region, and you can complete your purchase. Once purchased, the course is added to your learning section here. And you can also navigate to any of the courses. Once enrolled, you can go to your learning, go back to this homepage of the Udemy here, and in the top you'll find this my learning here, and all of the purchased course is added to your learning over here. You can also navigate to your course. Once enrolled, you can go to this my learning. From the top menu you can click any of your course. You see the course curriculum on the left side of the video player on the right, and you can also click any of the lecture to watch, expand section to see all the videos, quizzes as well, and download PDF slides and all the attachment if provided as well. If you want to preview the course, you can select to this preview. Once you get open to your course that you want to preview, you can select to this here, and here you find this short preview of the course that you're about to pay for. And you can also search for the more courses and discount by simply selecting on the search in the top. Udemy frequently offers huge discounts. Select the promotion and sales section as well. You can also use the wish list. You can select to this add cart or the wish list to save the courses for the later. You can browse categories regularly to find something trending or highly rated course as well. And in the account setting in the top right over here, you can click to your profile picture in the top right corner of this account setting. You can change your password. You can go to your card, your wish list. You can also go to your notification here. You'll find all of this notification from the Udemy or the course that you have purchased as well. And over here you can also manage the payment methods. You can set language and the notification preferences as well. Over here on the top we can find this explore. When you open to this explore, at the top you see this search bar as well. You can select to this explore from the top menu to see the curated section. Here you'll find this prepare for a certification, learn AI or any of the trending courses, popular courses many students are taking. You can find these top rated courses with the highest student rankings, new releases, latest courses on the platform, and launched a new career development business. You can browse by the category. While exploring, you can click any of the posts to see the details, course curriculum, instructor, information, student reviews, duration, and the language as well. And just beside it, we can find the subscription here. Once you select this, Udemy works both with one-time purchase courses and a subscription. Here you'll find this paid and the free courses. Simply you can click onto the start subscription. If you want to, for the paid courses, you can select to this start subscription. You can complete the payment using credit, debit card, PayPal, or other available methods. Udemy subscription offers a Udemy personal subscription, Pro or similar in some regions, and that lets you access a library of the courses with one monthly fee. And once subscribed, you can access multiple courses without buying them individually. After enrollment, the course appears in your learning over here, and you can start watching lectures, accessing resources, and tracking your progress as well. And in this Udemy business, the subscription plan for the companies to train employees, improve skills, and foster learning culture provides access to the thousands of curated courses, including professional and technical as well. And Udemy business is ideal for the team, corporate trainers, and managers looking to upskill their workspace efficiently. Over here in our Teach on Udemy, it also allows anyone to create and sell courses. If you have knowledge or skill to share, you can become an instructor as well. You can submit your course for the review. You can choose any free or the paid as well, and Udemy checks quality guidelines and the compliance, and once approved, your course goes live and students worldwide can enroll as well. The next thing is to Udemy support. Even with an easy platform like Udemy, sometimes you might need support, whether it's about a course, payment, account issue, or instructor policies. Udemy provides several ways to get help quickly and effectively. You can simply go to the account section in the top right, and over here you need to scroll a bit down until you find this help and support. You'll land on this Udemy help support, the central support page. At the top you'll see the search bar here. Type keywords like refund, login issue, certificate, download resources. Below that are the common problem support categories: account and profile, payment, refunds, mobile and technical issues, courses and content. You cannot find an answer in the help center over here, you need to scroll a bit down, and you can select contact us over here on the bottom. And over here you can go to your learners, Udemy business instructors here. And that is it. Whether you need help with your payments, issues, certificates, or the course access, Udemy support is the easy to reach via the help center and contact form as well. Using the clear words and screenshot can help you get faster answers from the Udemy. The last thing is to log out. Logging out is simple and ensures account stays secure, especially on the shared or public computers. In order to log out from the Udemy, in the top right we'll find this account here. Select this account, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this logout here. Select this logout, and that is it. You'll automatically get into this interface of the login script of the Udemy. Always log out if you're on a public or shared computer. On personal devices you can stay logged in for the convenience, but make sure your password is strong. And in order to effective learning, you need to watch the videos in short session to retain knowledge, take notes or screenshots of the important points, complete quizzes and exercises for the practice, ask question in the Q&A section. If something is unclear, review complete lectures periodically. And Udemy is a versatile platform that makes learning convenient and flexible on PC. It's easy to navigate, track progress, and use courses resources effectively. Whether you want to learn a new skill, prepare for the exam, or upskill professionally, Udemy has something for everybody. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.